And look at that. This is coffee here. They're drying coffee produced here. Look at this view we have from here. This is another point of view. Before we was there, we eat at that restaurant. Don't know, but my back brake burn out. I don't have more brake practically. Good morning internet. So not early start today. We're starting a little bit later, but that's okay. It's 9:30 now. So at the time when we did this recording, our plan was to go to Pha Hee in Chiang Rai province. But when we arrived close to Chiang Rai, we meet other driver that was coming from Chiang Rai, and they told us that it was almost impossible to go to Chiang Rai because road work. So they say the line was incredible and the traffic was just crazy. And so, seeing that it was late, it was like around 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I decided to go to Phayao, change the route, go to Phayao, and then tomorrow morning we will wake up and from Phayao go to Pha Hee and visit Pha Hee at the border with Myanmar. We got some beautiful road here going up. It's the first time I do 118, or at least one part of 118, but it feels very nice. Nice twists and curves. Beautiful view. All right, okay, so change of plans. We are directing to Phayao. The road to Phayao. Good morning, good morning. So here we are in Phayao. Nice and cold morning. And we're gonna leave today to go actually where we was going the other day, yesterday, to this village. Should be a beautiful village up in the mountain, just at the border with Myanmar. You actually can see Myanmar from there. from the village, and I have seen some nice picture, and it looks very nice. So let's investigate and let's see what we see. So we are here in Phayao. It's 14 Celsius this morning. Later gonna be a little bit warmer. We're gonna go up. We're gonna climb about 1,300 meters in altitude. So I suppose it's gonna be much more colder as we go. But we are getting used now to this cold. We've been traveling now for a while here in the north. All right, okay, so here we just left about 20 minutes ago Chiang Rai. We passed Chiang Rai. So you can see Mae Chan 21 kilometers, Chiang Sien 30 kilometers. And look at this. Let's see if we can stop here 1 minute, because this looks very nice. Batman Buddha mat. This is very beautiful. Look at this. Cannot go there close because they're working. But it looks very beautiful. You can see it's very nice. And all right, okay, this looks like a Chinese temple. All right, okay, let's go. Let's continue our trip. We have seen many temples, so just looking like this is enough. And here we start the steep incline going up. I don't know if you can see with the GoPro, but it's very, very, very steep. This come all down with the rainy season. Okay. So look at this beautiful place where we're going to eat now somewhere here. I hope we're gonna find a restaurant here to eat. But before going to eat, I want you to show this. Look at this beauty here. Now tell me if this is not nice.
Tell me if this is not beautiful. Look at this. Let's see if we can eat something here. I got coffee shop. I don't think they have anything to eat besides ramen soup. And look at that. Look at that. Guys, you look, I don't know if you can see with the GoPro, but there is another village. We will try maybe to go there after I eat here and maybe explore there around too. And I will try to take a walk here around and explore here too, to see how it is. Again, this is how it is here. Such a beautiful place. Just a step away from Myanmar. Okay, so we eat. It was a very good lunch. And now we're walking here and looking at this village. It's very, very nice here because you are out of the world, out of society, out of everything. You just relax and enjoy life here. Don't need to worry about nothing. And if you don't have internet, you are completely disconnected from the world here. There is many of these houses here, and especially on this side, have like a business, have like a restaurant. And here, yeah, a lot of, this is their costume, if you can see here. I don't know if you can see with the GoPro. So these are the costumes that they have, and you can buy them here if you want. And here, let's go look at this. Go look at this. So the village goes down here more, but we want to see here. Let's look at this. So this is still, and you see here you have all these places, and now the village goes down here, straight on the hill. This is coffee here. They're drying coffee produced here. And let's go here down. I don't know where you're going from here. You see, here is another restaurant. And you get all this. This is a very laid back place. Very original. Very, very original. This is coffee too. Just collected. Okay, I think we can go back from here, and the village continue here. You can go all the way down. All right, okay, let's go back up here now. Look at this view we have from here. This is another point of view. Before we was there, we eat at that restaurant, and look at this. Look how beautiful is this. Look at this. This is a V-shaped mountain, and that is looking in from the other side. It's a W-shaped mountain. So beautiful. You have a few hotels here. You have some camping spot. I asked you, there is a camping spot down there, and if you have your own tent, you can put them up, and it's 400 baht per night. You have many restaurants here to eat, so you will have no problem for eating. All right, okay, let's go. We got to go back to Phayao now. Okay guys, this was very nice, and now let's try to hit back to Phayao. We got like 2.5 hour, 3 hour drive. All right, okay guys, so I stopped here on this camping ground. Don't know, but my back brake burned out. I don't have more brake practically. It was very downhill, and I've been doing a lot of downhill really, and it looks more harder now, but before it was going all the way down, to be honest. Now look, it has a little bit of grip, but before, like, it had no grip at all. But I don't know, it was smelling very much a burn, so I just stopped here to see. And today is Saturday, already 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so cannot do so much more at this point. Everything is pretty much closed, and tomorrow is Sunday, so I think I'm gonna go slowly, wait here that they cool down, slowly try to go to Phayao at the hotel, back at the hotel. So all right, okay guys, we just start again. The brakes are nice and cold. And we are almost in Phayao. We got about 10 kilometers left, and with the bike everything was okay, so let's do this other 10 kilometers. Let's get there, and Honda, we're gonna go check the brakes in Honda Big Wing. But for now we made it here and everything is okay. So hello, here we are at the hotel. Not too much light here really, but I have all the lights on. No, well, I'm missing one, but I don't think that this is going to do so much of a difference. It's very nice, the room, but little light, I feel. Anyway, we got at the hotel, everything was okay, everything went good. The brakes, I don't know really still, I'm thinking about the brakes. I'm gonna kind of Google and try to find out. If anyone knows, you can comment underneath if you have anything to say. So I was coming down, and it was a big hill, and we've been really already going up and down big mountain and big hills, steep hill, but today the brake just went away. The back brake completely, my leg just was going down. It was like no stopping. It was just with my foot, I was just going down, and it was braking. it just was going down without braking. I don't know what is. I'm not a mechanic, to be honest, so I have no idea. Tomorrow we will leave from here and go to Pitsanulog. And Monday morning I will go there to Honda and check the brake and see. But anyway, everything was okay because we was already almost at the end of the steep hill going down. So we was good half away, and the other half was not so steep. I maybe find just one little bit that was steep. Anyway, I hope you liked today. It was really beautiful, I think. A very beautiful place that we went to visit. If you liked, please give a thumb up. I would appreciate that. And if you don't have subscribed, you can please subscribe. Thank you very much. You're going to help me very much. And nothing. I'll see you in my next video. And have a good day or a good night from wherever you are. Bye.